that is, it's an entitlement car. It entitles me to walk where the fuck I want in my country.
I'm going to ask you to leave.
I don't believe you've got the power, mate.
I'm going to escort you then under railway bylaws.
Hold on a minute.
In this episode, a man standing near a UK hotel unexpectedly finds himself confronted by police, accused of filming in violation of railway bylaws. What starts as a routine inquiry soon escalates into a heated discussion about personal freedom, public rights, and government-funded migrant housing. The footage comes from Ryan Rampage. Check out their channel through the link in the description and show them some support.
Want to identify yourself, please?
No.
No? Okay then, drag on.
I've got my call number here.
See you later.
What are you filming the hotel for?
I wasn't.
We've had a report from security that you've been filming the hotel, so I'm just asking you why.
Well, I wasn't. So do with that what you will, but...
Pardon?
Do with that what you will. I was sat in the car park for about 5 minutes. Had a couple of guys walking up and down hoods and stuff, making me feel intimidated, so I've come round, I've tried to move.
What, have you been sat in a car, did you say? Or?
No, I've been sat in the car park on my bike.
Alright.
I'm waiting to travel.
Alright, okay.
So that's my point. I've just come out of the way of the hustle and bustle over there, stood there, a couple of guys walking up and down, hoods or jumpers.
2. The officers approach. Insisting the man has been filming the hotel, he calmly denies it, explaining that he was simply standing near the car park. Still, their tone changes as they bring up counterterrorism concerns and reports from on-site security. It's a familiar scene, someone filming in public suddenly treated as suspicious. What complicates things even more is the setting itself. This isn't just an ordinary street. It's an area that falls under railway authority, where extra regulations apply.
Face staring at me and stuff.
Did you let anyone know? You could have come and had a look.
No, because I went towards the hotel, took one step and they put a board in front of the window.
Yeah. So what's been happening, I don't know whether you're aware, but obviously we've had a lot of attention from the hotel, people coming in and filming and things like that.
Oh, because of the migrants in there?
Well, just they've got an issue with the hotel, so we're just aware of it.
Are you sure they've got an issue with the hotel, or it's not because a lot of public money is going into funding these hotels for...
I've not got an opinion on that, and I don't have to give my opinion on it. But what
No, I'm not asking for your opinion. I'm just saying, because you've automatically assumed that a lot of people have got problems with these hotels. That's obviously your biased opinion then, because in my respect, what I've seen online, social media, the videos of these hotels, which is why I decided to sit here and watch. Wasn't filming, I was sat watching to see what it was all about. Sat there watching, and the videos I've seen, they're more bothered about the government funded money into these hotels, not the actual problem with the hotel. It's more that there's a lot of money being wasted here. So
under UK railway bylaws, individuals aren't allowed to loiter or obstruct around railway property without a valid reason. However, filming from a public footpath remains entirely legal. The man makes that point clear, reminding the officers that holding a camera doesn't take away his rights. Despite this, they caution him to keep his distance, insisting the area falls under railway-controlled access and is therefore considered private.
What's your opinion?
Pardon?
What's your MP about your concerns?
I'm sure these guys have, but everything gets swept under the rug, doesn't it?
I'm here to maintain the King's peace, all right. So we can't really talk any politics or anything like that.
No. I'm not asking you to. Like I say, I'm not one of these that was videoing. Yeah. You've joined the conversation halfway through now, so I'm not one of the ones that was videoing. I was sitting here watching the.
Videoing us there.
I am now. Yes.
Yeah, but you were when I walked up, because you had your camera out like that.
No, I didn't have my camera in my hand. I was actually checking where I was going.
It's fair enough. We're not going to get into like a big debate or an argument about it, because that's just not what we're going to do. And you're being right with me, you're not being aggressive, so that's fine. You're more than welcome to stand there. It's a public footpath, so that's fine.
Yeah, like I say,
the problem I've got with you, mate, is if you...
I'll tell you exactly what I was doing. I'll tell you exactly what I was doing.
I was going to say.
Go on.
The only problem I've got is if obviously you're approaching the hotel, because due to history of people going up to the hotel, that's why they've put the board over. They just don't want any sort of like issues with the people that live in there, that's all. So
I never caused an issue. Like I say, I'll show you exactly.
What makes this exchange stand out is the man's calm but firm composure. He clarifies that he wasn't filming the hotel itself. He was simply observing after watching reports about government funds being used for migrant accommodation. The officers remain neutral, repeating the standard line: "We can't discuss politics. We're just here to keep the peace." Yet the man presses further, questioning why openness and transparency are suddenly being treated like a threat.
I'm saying that other people have in the past.
I'll show you exactly what I was doing. I was stood here, like that, bike park there, and I was literally on my phone, sorting out where I was going, which obviously you've just seen the Google Maps on my phone.
Yeah.
Right, so that's what I was doing.
Yeah, it's fine.
And obviously these that I thought maybe I was recording, but if I record, I record like this.
Just probably a bit like sensitive to it because of what's gone on in the past. That's all. So
yeah, that's fine.
They
Or
just have a policy where
to be honest, if I was more prepared of recording this video, which I wasn't, I've bought equipment just for it.
You don't have
So
to get out.
this is how prepared I am to record anything I want in a public place. I've got a GoPro with a strap, and I'm just like,
Yeah, you don't have to show us.
I'd rather use that if I was coming here to record.
No, you don't have to show us. It's fine.
And I'm just proving a point here, like, the paranoid freaks, just because someone stood here doesn't mean they're doing something bad.
Yeah, I think.
Or they have bad
It's
intentions.
previous experiences that they've had. It's not you today. It's previous experiences that are making them just be a bit more alert to it. That's all. And
What to?
Eventually, the tension eases. The officers acknowledge that he hasn't broken any laws. If you want to film, go ahead, one of them says, stepping aside. The man thanks them and returns to the public footpath, but the moment highlights something bigger, how easily a simple camera can spark suspicion. Once again, he shows that understanding your rights can turn confrontation into clarity.
To me, just stood outside
I
doing
think
nothing.
it's also they're just obviously aware that this area is covered by the railway bylaws. They're not exceptional loiter on the railway. All right, and obviously
I'm waiting. No, I'm waiting to travel, so it's not loitering.
Yeah, but obviously I think that's probably why they've called us, because they want to make sure that no one's breaching the railway bylaws. Okay. And also,
Okay.
like my colleague said, just because of what's gone on before. All right, but if you want to film, crack on. There's
No, I will do.
Yeah,
I will do. Yeah.
It's a nice day. It's lovely weather. So yeah.
I mean, I've even got a drone in my bag.
Yeah.
Not too close to HMP, am I? So should be able to fly the drone.
All right.
Yeah, happy days.
No worries.
I will just ask you to step back onto it.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine. That's absolutely fine. I don't get why that is though. What's within a few meters?
Like my colleague said, this is covered by the railway bylaws.
Okay.
So that's a public place, that's a public footpath, so you can stand there as long as you want, but this is covered, this is private.
Right.
The access fee is implied. All right.
Okay. Even though I'm travelling.
Yeah, well, obviously you're not immediately travelling, are you? Your intention, from what we can see, is that you're going to stand here and film. Okay, so that's why I'll just film all day, crack on. Like, stand here for 12 hours, 20 hours, don't care. Stand up.
I'm just baffled by the point of why is it a bad thing to film? Because I've filmed in many.
When did we ever say it's a bad thing to film? If you want to film, I totally encourage
That's the problem. That's the bit you have the problem with.
I don't have a problem.
Stood here filming.
No, if you stand there, film. Crack on. Stand here, film. Not okay.
But if I walk through the train station, which I have done many times, and filmed vlogs and such type, I've never had police interaction. But standing here outside of a hotel, which is just underneath their jurisdiction, they've got a problem with me filming. That's
Under the jurisdiction.
under jurisdiction of BTP.
Right, under the jurisdiction of everyone, but yeah.
You understand what I'm saying though? So I can walk through a train station, record.
Yeah. Well, if you're carrying out a trade on the railway, that comes under different railway bylaws as well. You need station manager's approval for that. But we won't get into the arguments of the railway bylaws and the British Transport Commission Act, but you can just film on the public.
Yeah, I will do. I'm just zipping my bag up. So once you walk away, I'm zipping my bag up and I'm moving on to public property, alright?
Thanks very much. Have a lovely rest of your day.
No worries. Thank you very much. See you later.
After the officers leave, he takes a moment to reflect. It wasn't the act of filming that caused the issue. It was the location, the hotel itself. Determined to uncover the truth, he decides to look deeper into the railway bylaws the police mentioned, aiming to reveal what's really driving these confrontations. Each encounter like this serves as a reminder that public filming isn't about defiance, it's about accountability. If you appreciate seeing ordinary people stand up for their rights, make sure to subscribe for more powerful moments like this.